Hey you guys, today we're gonna prep this basket and it's gonna be a Harry Potter theme and wait until you see it. You're going to love it. It came out super cute. Look at how cute it is. And it says snuggle this muggle. So it's a saying in Harry Potter and I thought it was adorable. And you also get his little head and a cup. So I thought it was cute. I printed it out in the gold and I also printed it out in the black. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the black because it looks nicer on the basket. So we're going to go ahead and prep this basket. And I picked it up at the dollar store. I'm going to go ahead and remove any sticker on here. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean it with alcohol. The alcohol is going to remove any stains, any smudges, any fingerprints, anything that you do not want to show with your decal. It's going to remove it. So that's why we clean it with alcohol, just to keep it nice and clean. And plus the alcohol dries super fast. So if you're ever going to add a decal somewhere, just wipe it down with some alcohol before you add your decal under. So we're going to go ahead and prep it. I'm going to cut anything that's in the way and just make sure I leave all the writing. So I'm going around the whole decal and I'm just cutting it as close as I can without cutting any of the letters or moving anything. Once you have it ready, we're going to add our transfer tape. This is my favorite transfer tape. I'll leave the link down below so you can go ahead and get it, but it works perfect every time. I haven't had any problems with it. It removes really quick and it peels off really easy. I'm going to show you right now. I go ahead and add the transfer tape right on top. And then I'm going to smooth it down. Grab your scraper and just go ahead and do the whole thing. Look at how easy that is. Once you're ready, make sure you put your basket how you want it before you lift anything up, because you don't want it to come out crooked. You want it as nice as even as you can and as straight as you can. Look at how easy that lifted the vinyl. So we're going to go ahead and put this right in the middle. Make sure you have it right in the middle before you set it down, because once you set it down, you cannot remove it. You will rip it off, and if it's crooked, it's going to stay crooked. And then when you have it right in the middle, go ahead and press it down. Press the whole thing down. You can use your hands or you can go ahead and use your scraper. It's up to you. Make sure you scrape the whole thing. Press it nice before you remove the transfer tape. But look at how cool that came out. This is going to be really cool. It's a gift for someone. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel the transfer tape in nice and slow. Take your time. You don't want anything coming off with the transfer tape. You want it to stay on the basket. And look at how cool that looks. This is so cool. This is great for a teenager, if you're going to make them a basket, or if they're going to just put stuff inside like makeup brushes, if they're going to put pencils. This looks great. Now, I made a couple extra of the mugs and I'm going to go ahead and add them on the side of the basket. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cut it down. We're going to add the transfer tape right onto the mugs. So I'm going to cut it down as close as I can, right to the edge. And then I'm going to add my transfer tape to all 3 mugs before I cut them individually. Look how easy that is. All you have to do is measure it. Once you have it how you want it, cut it down and then add your transfer tape. And look at how it comes out. Press it down and now you have it you have your decal ready and you can cut them up in pieces and put them however you want. So I'm going to add one to each corner of the basket. I thought that would be super cute. And I'm going to make sure that they come out standing up. Once I have it how I want it, I'm going to press down on it. And then I'm just going to peel off the transfer tape. And I'm going to do the opposite side as well. I thought that was really cute, just to add a little touch of something, because I didn't want to put nothing on the back. So I decided this would be very cute just to add to the sides. And it came out really nice. And there you go. Look at how adorable this is. I hope you guys like it. But I love it. If you do go ahead and make one, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see how yours came out. This is a great for a party, especially a Harry Potter party. It's a great theme. I hope you guys make one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time.